So today we're going to have a look at calculating the pH of a buffer solution, and then the pH when a small amount of strong base has been added. So first, to calculate the pH of the buffer solution, calculate the number of moles of the weak acid. Concentration times volume. Concentration is 1.2, and the volume in decimeters cubed would be 0.02. So that will give us 1.2 times 0.02 is 0.024 moles. Of our weak acid, HA. Then the same for its conjugate base, which is 0.5 times 0.02, which will be 0.010 moles of our A minus. And then to calculate the H plus concentration, we use the full Ka equation for H plus. Ka times the concentration of the weak acid over its salt, which will be 1.78 times 10 to the minus 4 times by, it's the weak acid concentration, which is the moles, divided by the volume, and we can just use V for volume because the volumes will cancel. Then that divided by A minus moles over volume. There we can cancel the volumes, and our H plus concentration 0.78 times 10 to the minus 4 times 0.024 divided by 0.01, and that gives us 4.272 times 10 to the minus 4. Moles dm minus cubed of H plus. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Okay, and when we know the H plus, we can just go straight into the pH equation. pH is minus the log of H plus, so minus the log of 4.272 times 10 to the minus 4 to 2 decimal places will be 3.37.